shower. High 75. Winds southwest
Kitty?
at 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Hi.
And Wednesday night, rain. Low 62. Chance of rain 70%.
Hey, little boy.
Here's our 7-day outlook.
What? I know. They want to stay outside and get what they can. If they want to stay outside and get what they can.
86 degrees right now and continuing to see heavy rainfall around Florida. Get used to this. I tell you, we could very well see a lot more where that came from as tropical moisture from the Caribbean just streams up in here tonight and tomorrow and even in some of the days to come. Heavy rain and
Oh, you love pets. Yeah. Yeah, you're a good boy.
We also have the possibility of more flooding here around North Carolina. As thunderstorms are coming into the Wilmington area on already saturated ground.